Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making Haitian black rice, Diri Djon with a twist. I posted a short clip of it on Instagram and it did very well, 124,000 views. So a lot of people asked me to post the recipe, so here we go. And this is my mushroom, the black mushroom that I got from my local store. Make sure you clean it. You don't wash it, just take the little dirt out. And this is it boiled. So here we go. Let's get to the fun stuff. So I'm using this kind of rice. It's basmati rice. You can use whatever basmati rice you like. H Goya basmati is a really good rice to use, so feel free to also use that one. I am using sweet peas. You may use lima beans if you like lima beans. I like sweet peas and black rice. I am using raw cashews, and this is the Djon water. So I cook the Djon in 48 ounces of water because that's the only water I will be using. I might use a little extra, depends. This is my fresh herbs, parsley and thyme, and my red bell pepper, and cloves. I am also using freshly ground black pepper. The cloves that I added it on the pepper instead, so that way it's not missing and I don't eat it by accident. That would be nasty. And also allspice, pimiento. I love pimiento, and I'm using this Maggi cubes that is from Senegal. It's really good. Amazon has it. And I'm using Maggi powder. You can use the cube, it's the same thing. And also all-purpose chicken seasoning. This is my favorite all-purpose chicken seasoning. I get it from BJ's. And of course, épices. This is the foundation of every Haitian dish. Okay, you cannot cook Haitian food without épices. And my fresh crab that I got from the market, and I'm using vegetable oil. You may use whatever oil. You can use olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever oil you want to use, go ahead. I wouldn't use coconut oil though, but olive oil will be really good, perfect for it. So once your oil is hot, you can go ahead and add your épices to fry a little bit. I am making a lot of rice today, so this is why I'm using all that épices to make sure it's tasty, because I'm not putting a lot of dry seasoning in it. So, and my épices is bomb. I have a recipe on my YouTube channel, go ahead and check it out. It's the best thing. So you're gonna go ahead and let your épices fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Let it get a little color. And you guys, the way that I made this rice, they don't make it like that at restaurant. Okay, it's literally just black at restaurant. It doesn't taste good. I'm not even joking. It's just not like that at all. You better off making at home for many reasons. They don't add crabs or cashews for allergy reasons, which I understand, but it's still not as good. It could be better, but mine is bomb, so you better try it. So once your épices is looking like that, after 3 to 5 minutes, you can go ahead and add your peas. Like I said, you could use lima beans. Lima beans are really good. I love lima beans. And yeah, so after you've added the beans, you can go ahead and add the cashews right away, because the cashew gotta cook a little bit too, and give it a little stir after that. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the herbs and the seasonings, and then let the beans cook for a few minutes. These are the dry seasoning I'm using. You could use the Maggi cubes, it's the same thing. If you don't have the powder one, in this one, it's not. If you don't have it, it's fine, but it gives the dish a really good taste. They also have a shrimp one. It says crevette on it, which means shrimp. So you could use that one too. I couldn't find that one. Actually, I did find it. It was just fucking expensive, and I wasn't looking to spend a lot of money on it. And I already have that one, so I just buy that one. When you do stop paying me, then I'll stop spending more money making my dishes. But yeah, like I have the package. I think it's $24, and I'm sorry, it's 24 Maggi cubes in it, and it's like $7.99. That's kind of expensive. So yeah, and I don't use it all the time, so that's why I don't really get it. But yeah, once you've added all your seasonings and you give it a little stir, and you're gonna cover it. Well, before you cover it, make sure to add the crabs so they can cook. And you're gonna cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. And then when it's cooked, after that 10 minutes, of course, we're gonna give it another stir. It's looking so amazing, so delicious. Look at this. Oh my god, just so bomb. I really hope you guys try this recipe, and if you do, please tag me in a post, in a video, a picture. Just tag me. I'd love to see it. I'd love to know how you guys liked it. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the red bell pepper. You don't have to use put the cloves in it. It's just ideal because you don't want to be chewing cloves. Cloves is nasty. Cloves are nasty to chew. Okay, so once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and add the Djon Djon water, and you don't want to add any more water because you want your rice to be black. If you add more water, it's not gonna be as dark. So look at it. So my water is boiled, and I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my rice to put in it. See how dark it is? This is what you want. I don't use Djon Djon Maggi because that is disgusting, and I've seen some videos and some blog posts, people using that, and I think it's such a disgrace to be disrespecting the culture like that, the traditions like that, you know? And they are made by Haitians. This kind of makes me mad, really upset. Anyway, so once you're done, make sure you wash your rice. Well, I'm not gonna tell you what to do. Wash your rice if you want to. I'm Haitian, I wash my rice, period. Wash your rice if you want to, that is. Once that is done, you go ahead and add your rice. Like I said before, if you like your rice grainy, you want to add a little bit more rice. You want it to be above the water. If you want it to be sticky, then it's gonna be below the water, submerged under the water. That way it will be sticky. Like, I don't want to say it, but you know, rice and peas. Those people who make rice and peas, I'm not gonna say who they are. You already know. Anyways, that is, I know it looks like it's a lot of rice, but it will cook because I'm going to steam it for a little bit, for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Cover it up with plastic bag, like Haitian really do it. If you got a problem with that, that's your problem, not mine. So I'm adding salt at the end after I tasted it. I'm not adding a lot because, you know, I'm using the Maggi cubes and the Maggi powder, all of these other things, and the epice already has salt and Maggi. So after I tasted it, this is when I noticed we needed a little salt, then I added my salt. So this is the water. This is the rice with the water dried up all the way. This is how it looks. This is how you know your rice is gonna be grainy. So when it's like that, you're gonna go ahead, give it a stir, and then you're gonna go ahead, if you want to, cover it with plastic bag. If you don't want to, you can also use foil, or you may just use the cover, but I don't think, it might take a little bit longer to cook. The plastic bag will make it cook faster, but it's your choice. So this is the final product, you guys. How beautiful does this look? It's so tasty, it's so pretty, it's so yummy, and oh my god, I don't know what to say. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful. It's just, it tastes as good as it looks, okay? You know, some food sometimes they be looking good but they don't taste good. I can't relate to stuff like that. My food looks good and tastes bomb. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Check out my channel for other recipes, and thank you. And I really hope this video does well like it did on Instagram, because that would make me so happy. 124,000 views for a video. That did a really good job, and I was really happy about it. And thank you guys. Enjoy.